Let's begin by logging onto our Moodle account and going to our class page. In this exercise, we will use an Excel template provided on our Moodle page called NBA Scoring Leaders. Okay. At the bottom of your browser, pull up the spreadsheet. Okay. Notice the layout of the Excel spreadsheet. First, look at the labels in cells B3, okay, through E3. Okay. These are the 4 players we will be comparing based on points per game, highest point total, okay, and lowest point total. Next, look at the labels in cells A5 through A9. Okay, those are the 5 games that we're going to be comparing our players based on. Okay, now look at the point totals for each player in the last 4 games. Okay, in the row marked totals, we're going to use the sum function to add the first player's points over the last 4 games. Okay. When you start a function in Excel, you want to hit next. We're going to type in sum, okay, and then an open parenthesis. Once this is in place, we're going to select the range of cells that represent the last 5 games. And then lastly, okay, we're going to shift, close our parentheses, and hit enter. Okay, this gives us the first player's total points for the last 4 games. To get the totals for the next 3 players, we could repeat the same process. However, to make life easier on ourselves, we're going to use the fill handle to copy the function we used into the next 3 cells in the row. This allows us to get our totals for the next 3 players in almost no time. Okay, next we're going to figure out their points per game. This process is similar to using the sum function, only this time you're going to start with enter, okay, and we're going to type in average. Right. This time I'm going to click on average as it pops up underneath the screen. Okay. Now I'm going to select my range, okay, and now I'm going to close my parentheses and hit enter. Okay. I'm going to repeat the same process using the fill handle. Okay, I'm going to drag it across the remaining cells. Okay, and there you go. We have our points per game. For the highest point total for each player, repeat the same process as the last 2 functions. Only this time you're going to type in max in the function area. Okay, boom. That was easy. Okay, let's use our fill handle. Okay, now we're on a roll here. Okay, to find the lowest point total, okay, for each player. Okay, again, we're going to repeat the same process, only this time we're going to type in equals min. Okay, great job. Okay, we now could compare each player using the information we figured out from our functions. Okay, excellent stuff. Okay, now let's save this, okay, by going to File, Save As. Okay, we're going to save this as, okay, your first initial, your last name, okay, and scoring leaders. Okay, let's go to our, click on computer, okay, then click on our network location, click on computer apps, okay, and then save. Okay, it asked me to replace mine, yours will be the first time it's in here. Okay? Okay, next video, we're going to show you how to add your title, okay, and then format your table. Best of luck. Until next time.